Okay. Now text properties. What are the text properties? I have already explained that text properties are used to modify the visual appearance of the text. You can change the indentation, alignment, color, decoration, spacing and so on for the text inside an element using these properties given in the table. Now we have already seen some of the properties. Okay, now today I am going to see the text properties. What is the use of the text property? Now text property is used to modify the visual appearance of the text. That means the text which you have written, it should be look very beautiful. Its appearance should be very beautiful. It should be decorated. Its indentation should be perfect. Alignment, color, spacing, all these things of the text should be the perfect, so that it could give the very attractive look. Okay, it should be shown as a perfect one. So one by one I will show you all the properties of the text. In the table what we are going to see, first of all, property, description, values and value. Okay, now first one is color, and let me tell you that this is not the values, it will be the example. Okay, make it example. It is the example. Okay, so first we will see color. Now if you have written the text and you want to give it a beautiful color, so you can give through this property. What is the description? Used to change the text color. The text which you have written, you can change that color of the text through this property, color text, color property. Now what are the values? Color, name, color, code. For example, color name red. Okay, that means we are using the red color. The text which you will select, it will be of the red color. Okay, now next one is line height. So if you want to set the distance between the lines, then we can use this line height. What is the value of it? Normal, number, length, percentage. Okay, now line height normal. Okay, that means line height will be normal. That means there is general distance between the two lines. If line height colon 1.6, that means 1.6 will be the height of the line between two lines, distance between two lines. Line height colon 80 pixels, that means the distance between two lines will be 80 pixels. Line height colon 200 percentage. Now it is in the percentage number, that means the distance between two lines will be 200%. Now next is letter spacing. That means you are writing a word, this word used. So what will be the distance between two letters? You can give the spacing through this letter spacing. Okay, that means used to modify the spacing between characters of the text. What are the values of it? Normal and length. For example, letter spacing colon normal. That means in this it will be in normal form. Now letter spacing 3 pixels. That means the space between two letters will be 3 pixels. Next is text alignment. Now in text alignment, if you are writing a text, then what should be the alignment of it? So while writing that, if you are writing in your copy, what happens? That you used to give the alignment from all the sides. You are giving the margin from the left side, from the right side, from the top and from the bottom. So you are using the alignment, and if while you have used the packages, you have seen that in Word already you have seen that alignment is of 4 types: left, right, center, justified. Left means that all the letters will be written from the left side, it will be equal. Right side means all the letters will be right aligned, that means it will be equal to from the right side. Now center, that means it will be in between, okay? And justify means that it will be all the 4 sides will be equal, okay?